afternoon, students. Today topic is belongs to the second year SCC topic, public health and hygiene. What is the topic? Public health and hygiene. So here two important words are composed here: health, hygiene. Here this health and hygiene is for what purpose we are making it? The health and hygiene is belongs to public, means human being, individuals. So public health. What is the health? What is the health here? Which animal can able to live free from disease? Free from disease. So which animal or which individual can able to live free from disease? That is called as health. Health means free from disease. So hygiene, how the animal can able to live in free from disease means when the hygiene, a pure conditional weather is there, then only the animal cannot get any disease. It means the environmental pollution is not there, diseases are not comes. Environmental pollution. So that's the environment is good, society is good, health is good. So there's a contamination, disease is not there, health is good. So like that, the discipline, what is discipline? An environmental discipline is come under hygiene. Drainage system is there, it can not perfectly, disease or takes place. If the drainage system is present perfectly, so hygiene maintains. So like that, cleanness, unpolluted cleanness, environment discussed under the hygiene. So here, health, free from disease is called as a health. How the free from disease? It is very critical matter. It is not a normal word. Health is not, we are giving only simple word, is not a simple word, it is a very big information is present in the health. So generally already the following important food contains the following parts, they are already used. So what are the food nutrients? Nutrient means food here. What is the food here? Food is required for the good for health. Food is must and food required for the good for health. The food is not there properly, not consumed, the health is also not properly formed. The health is not properly developed, so mentally or emotionally or physically or mentally, so like that, when the individual can able to present in the form of health means any person, any individuals, emotional free, mentally free, physically free. These three events where they are present, a particular individual, that particular individual can able to present in the condition of health. So that's why health is first time should depend on the food. Food is nothing but is the nutrient containing food. What are the nutrients? The following nutrients are present in the food. They are number one, carbohydrate. So number two, protein. Number three, lipids or fats. What are the number four? Vitamins. Number six, minerals. Number six, water. So these are the important components present in the food. Food is that is a nutritional food means the proportionate carbohydrate, protein, lipid, vitamin, minerals and water, sufficient water which animal can able to using properly, so that animal can get good health. So that's why food contains the following nutrients. The following nutrients means carbohydrate, proteins, so lipids, vitamins, mineral, water. These six components are present in the food. So this food you can get either from animal production or plant production. Whatever it may be, animal production contains the same kind of nutrients as well as plant production contains also same kind of nutrients. But different variations are there. I am not discussing variation. I am discussing only the food. So food contains the nutrients. Nutrients are divided into the following six main differentiations. So first is the carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are very, very important. Through the carbohydrates, the energy can able to liberate. Carbohydrates can able to liberate the energy. Energy producing chemical compounds are called as carbohydrates. Who are the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the energy producing component. So what is the use of the carbohydrates? When the animal can able to require the energy. Without energy, animal cannot talk, animal cannot walk. Internal organs also function not unfunctionable. Every organism under presence of energy only functioning. So that's why without energy, animal cannot existing. So that's why energy also very important. The energy can able to directly energy can able to available to the carbohydrates. So already carbohydrates can able to synthesize by the photosynthesis. The plants can able to prepare the carbohydrates. The carbohydrates it means carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. 1:2:1 ratio carbon, hydrogen, oxygen ratio is present in the carbohydrates. So generally hydrogen is also belongs to the animal production or whatever it may be plant production. So generally these carbohydrates can able to present in the enumerable. What are the example of carbohydrate? Glucose is the example of carbohydrate. Sugarcane is the example of carbohydrate. Starch is the example of carbohydrate. Cellulose is the example of carbohydrate. Glucose is the monosaccharide. Sugarcane is the disaccharide. Starch as well as cellulose are the polysaccharides. So like that, carbohydrates are present in the mono, di, polysaccharide. So that's why. So these are all where they are available in the environment or in the any field. Means generally carbohydrates can able to available. So where in the food, what kind of food? Potato as well as banana. All the fruits contain the little bit of rice. The rice, beetroot, so as a wheat powder, whatever it may be. So these are come under plant production. Some are present in the animal production. Wherever you go, carbohydrates are present. So that's why carbohydrates are very important for providing energy for the life activities. The carbohydrates are not there, energy cannot liberated. Energy cannot liberated. Animal cannot take. Organs are not function. Organs are not function. Good health is not takes place. Good health is not takes place. It can affect to numerous disease. So that's why carbohydrates are the very important components. Nutrient. So next, proteins. Proteins are called as building block of the animal. So repairing function. The cells are damaged accidentally. So sometimes numerous cells are destroyed. The destroyed cell can able to repair. New formation takes place under presence of protein. So body building, so animal growth in size increasing. So these are other also carrier proteins. So transportation takes place. So these are internal organs of what require for developing and healthy purpose. So these all responsibilities are takes place by the proteins, basically building blocks. So body build, animal increase, size, growth under presence of proteins. So next, lipids. Second one is also rich energy containing molecules are called as lipids or fat. Less energy component, less energy. When we are comparing, carbohydrates can able to liberate the less energy, but fats are storage food material, so they can able to contain the more energy rich storage in the fat. Where the proteins are present in the environment means generally all the pulse, nuts, groundnut, soybean, red grains, Bengali grains, block grains, all the pulse as well as fish, meat, chicken. So along with all the foods also contain the proteins. So lipids already high rich energy liberating components are called as lipids. So generally what are the example of lipids? All the oils, edible oils come under lipids. So lipids are available in the environment, in the society. So all the oils, whatever it may be, you are using plant seeds. What are the seeds? Soybean, groundnut, castor oil. So like that, these are come under lipids. Lipids are useful for giving the rich energy. Along with rich energy, internal insulations, heat can able to thermoregulator animals, heat can able to regulate into the fat. So next fourth one, vitamins are very important, very less quantity. Vitamins are there, vitamins are useful for quantity is very less, but role is more. So vitamins are very already 6 or 7 different type of vitamins are there. There are A, B, C, D, E, K. A vitamin, B vitamin, C vitamin, D vitamin, E vitamin, K vitamin. So these are the different kind of vitamins are present available in the different kind of plant production as well as animal production. So vitamins are very important role, very minute quantity required, but role is major role playing the vitamin. What are the vitamins are A vitamin, B, C, D, E, K. So here these vitamins are further classed into two main categories: water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. So water soluble vitamins only B and C only belongs to the water soluble vitamins. Remaining all are A, D, E, K vitamins are dissolved in the fat soluble. So that's why fat dissolved vitamin, water dissolved vitamin. So very less quantity required, more play a role in the biological activities. Vitamin. So next, minerals. Minerals also very important nutrients. So you know already calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, chloride, calcium, magnesium, iron, chlorides are the very important components for the activation. Calcium also activate different kind of animal activities under control of minerals. So that's why minerals also very important. Last one, water. Without water, animal cannot exist. In the universe, anywhere you go, without water, animals are not formed. Under presence of only water is formed. So that's the water also very important. So like that, whatever the nutrients, the following important. What are the important? The 6 main important food components are there. There are carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, fat, minerals, water. These are the food containing nutrients. If the nutrients are not sufficient available to the animals, they can get different kind of disease. What is the healthy here? Free from disease. How we can able to free from disease? The environment is good. Pollution, water pollution is not there. Okay, health is good. So air pollution is not there. Health is good. Sound pollution is also there. Health is good. It means pollution can able to creating the problem in the organism. So that's why when the environment is very nice, very unpolluted environment is there, diseases are properly not explained. So that's why hygiene means maintaining of environment. Health means through the nutrient, a better animal how they are forming in the society. So like that. So here not health is not belongs to only human. Social health. So not if one individual can able to exist as a healthy being is not a good. The communities, different kind of communities also when present in the form of energetical, healthful, the society also get very healthy. So that's why public health is also very important. So through this education, public health education, we give the awareness to the animals, awareness to the other human being individual. How they are awareness means, so which animal can get good environment, they are living very free from disease. Which animal can able to useful proper nutrient, that animal can able to free from disease. Is the main concept of health and hygiene. So tomorrow discuss about the remaining topic. It is a very important for the examination point of health and remaining topic also. I am giving the notes as well as I am also one book is represented by Dr. K. Das. This is the Dr. K. Das represented by the public health and hygiene. So we are giving the notes also. So first you just listen here. So what are the important nutrients? So through the nutrient, what kind of disease can place discuss tomorrow.